Alrighty, welcome back to the shop. It is Tuesday, the 31st of March, 2020.
Hi, everybody.
Alright, a little awkward to say. I was, keep wanting to say Monday because I'm used to only saying Tuesday when it's a holiday, but we had some special guests, I guess you want to say, over
yesterday.
At the shop. We'll talk more about that in a little bit. The first quarter of the year is over. O-V-E-R, gone. That's right. Gosh, it's hard to believe in 3 more months.
And it's cold.
We're in the summertime. Yeah, we're back in sweatshirts. And I made my first batch of tea this weekend, and doggone it, the cool weather didn't slide back in on us. And if you're wondering what this was all about that I walked on with, if you notice here, it says Earth Day, and this I find kind of interesting, but we've got 3 Earth Day, whatever these are. I think something from National Geographic, I don't know. But I find it interesting.
They're all for the same person.
All for the same person, same address. 3 Earth Day things. Not very Earth Day-ish or conservative or very green or whatever the appropriate PC term is. It's not very much of that to get.
I wasted a lot of paper.
Yeah, that's a lot of paper wasted. So
a lot of
congratulations
trees.
on whoever sent that on your Earth Day awareness. We want to point out the fact that you put a lot of thought into that. And we appreciate that. Alrighty, guys. Enough political statement. That's as political as we get. Let's move on. Even though it's cold, it's good to have the sweet tea back out. I'm glad I didn't make that. Alrighty, Daniel, Mill Hand Michael, and myself busy on the mill this weekend. We sawed about 400 board feet of 1x12s by about 11 feet long. We did a lot of other sawing and some boards for Jay for some projects he was working on. We'll talk about that, and a few other kind of spare boards. But what we actually was milling was 1x12s by 11. And fortunately we were, because I called my good friend Keith and asked him if he was interested in them, because he's bought some from us before, and he said, well, absolutely he was. He was actually working on a project where they had just ran out of the last 1x12s that we had made for him, and they needed 16 more to finish the project. So we ate lunch while he rode over here and come and picked up 16 boards right after lunch. So it worked out well for everybody. I think he needs some more for some projects he's going to be doing. We'll talk a little bit about that later, but
which is nice.
Interesting. They was in that. And then I did say we did some milling for some projects Jay was working on, and the projects Jay were working on was some more of those lumber racks that we're building, or he's building, and we're storing lumber on as we mill it. Very neat little things. I need to do a little breakdown of what we're doing on that.
Yeah.
And maybe get a video. I should have got a video
of him building them. Yeah.
We didn't do a whole lot, and I didn't video anything. And I know a couple of y'all like seeing the little video snippets in there, but we didn't do a whole lot of that this week, so I don't have any video to put in, but that would have been an excellent project, so y'all could catch these little sheds, for lack of a better term, that we're making the whole lumber.
They just have roofs and bottoms. They don't have sides because the air can flow over, but they don't get wet because they're covered.
Yep.
They're like covered.
I don't know what you call them.
I don't know what you call them either.
Looking things, but anyhow, I'll have to get Jay building one of those for y'all. Loretta made some resin jewelry. You made some extra pretty neat resin jewelry that we only have here.
With polymer clay.
Yeah, with some polymer clay. It came out really
cool.
Nice. You also did a couple resin pours or some work on your resin tables.
Yes, on my tables.
Which was really interesting. And then Monday, we didn't do the video yesterday because Mill Hand Michael and Bula were over to kind of, I guess, get their feet wet, or Michael to get his feet wet.
He wanted to learn some things.
And some builds. He's a little more interested coming off the sawmill a little bit, not leaving the sawmill, but coming off it to do some projects. So we're going to get him started on some projects in the shop.
He's got one he wants to do for Bula.
Yeah, we're going to talk more about that in a little bit. And then Loretta started working on Christmas projects.
Yes, I did.
Now, that may seem a little early. You're saying, gosh, it's 9 months to Christmas. Well, it's 9 months to Christmas, but it's only 6 months until we start doing shows that we will start introducing Christmas projects in.
If COVID-19 doesn't ruin those.
Yeah, and the reason we're kind of jumping to that is because of with the coronavirus 19 pandemic. There's no shows right now. There's none. With social distancing, there's no shows. All the shows have been canceled. I don't foresee anything before summer. We probably won't jump back into the middle of the summer heat doing shows, so we're gonna wait till fall, I think, before we look at doing any shows. And of course, when fall starts, that's when we start introducing some of the Christmas projects and stuff like that.
Might as well get them done.
Yeah, so we've started on those. All right, guys, let's move on.
Can't really do Easter projects because Easter's in 2 weeks and they've canceled all those shows.
Easter's will be
And
done.
what's the next one after Easter?
Doesn't matter because it's not there. Coming for Two Dogs. All righty. Loretta is going to continue working on her commission tables and get the tabletops done. We're not going to put any legs on those, right?
No legs.
The reason is for storage purposes and to protect the tops until they are due to be turned over to the owner.
Because you can stack them.
Yeah, we can wrap them and stack them.
Stack them so they don't get damaged.
Plus we keep the legs protected.
Right.
And they're little, not styrofoam, but bubble wrap containers and stuff to keep them protected. So, and it doesn't take that long to put the legs on. We're talking maybe 20 minutes, to put the legs on all the tables, so it's not a big deal. So we're going to hang off on doing that. I'm going to work on finishing up my pin stands. Now, we talked about these a little bit last show, and the idea behind this is there's going to be this upper board here that's got the notches in it where the pin's going to rest, and then there's going to be a lower board down here, and the pins will sit in here at shows, and it'll just kind of sit down in there and display the pins that Michael's making real nicely. So I'm going to try to get those finished up this week. That's a dead easy project, and again, it's one of those things I'm down to the last 4 or 5 minutes on doing it, and I just haven't got it done. But I'm going to work on those and get those done. We've got a possible commission for 288 1x4x8. That's right, 288 of them. Same gentleman we cut some for 240 about not last week, but the week before.
Yeah,
we've cut for him before. He absolutely loves our work, and he needs about 288 more. I got to give him a price on that, and then see if he wants to do that. And if he springs for it, then we're going to go ahead and cut those this Saturday. Along that line, talking about our good buddy Keith come by and bought those 1x12s from us. He's got a log on a trailer he wants cut, so he's going to try to get that to us this week, and we'll try to cut that this Saturday. The big thing is we got some welding to do on Daniel's work truck now.
That'll be fun.
Yeah, that'll be some video clips for sure that we're going to do. We'll get some video clips of Daniel welding on his truck. He's a pretty good welder.
Oh, he is a really good welder.
He's got that down pat for somebody who's not any formal training. And then I got to work on my F350 brakes. I got to do a couple things on it. You don't want something that big rolling down the road and the brakes not being jammed up and jelly tight. So I
wouldn't.
and then we mentioned a little bit that Milham Michael's got a little project he's going to start on, and that is Michaela wants a bookshelf. Live edge, so we're going to probably kind of walk around the yard, look at all the piles of lumber, and see if we can't find the right boards to go ahead and get him started on the bookshelf. Probably won't do any building, but we'll probably locate everything.
If nothing else, we can get the boards cut if he finds something he likes and get it in the dryer. Kiln,
and get it squared away. And we have to get a hold of our good friend Mickey related to the play coming up. I'm not sure that's going to happen with COVID going on, so I got to get with her and see if she still wants those builds done, because these are going to be big projects, and we don't have any place to store these once we build them. So I got to make sure that she's going to be able to take a receipt of them the minute we get them done. So I've got to call her this week, and we'll know more on that this weekend. If she's going to press forward with it, I think probably when we go drop off the 288 1x4s, because I'm pretty sure he'll take those. I'll go ahead and pick up everything we need for that and get started on
And the wedding is still on hold. They've moved it back to the end of May, but
yeah, but we're not
sure about it too
until we know all clear has been given, and that life is going to proceed back to as normal as it will ever get. Everybody's new normal is going to be a new normal. It'll be a new reality, I think, once all this is done. We'll have to see where that shakes out. All right, guys, let's move on. All righty, markets and shows and markets. We've already talked about it a little bit. There is nothing planned. There is nothing in the works, and we are not making any plans for any shows until probably fall of this year. I'm looking at September because I don't want to do any July or August shows. It'd be too hot. So what we'll do is we'll let you know as we know stuff. Well, I think that's about it for this evening. Do you have anything?
Yes. I want to congratulate our youngest on a wonderful win.
Yep.
She's got a one. She won her competition.
That's right. We
So
don't know
she
how
is
much
in the
we can say
finals.
about that, but
So she's
won
in the
her
finals.
Yep.
She won her not
Singing competition.
singing competition, but it's her level or whatever.
Whatever, yeah.
Whatever it is,
We
anyways.
can't really say a whole
So
lot
I can't
about it
say a
'cause we
whole lot,
don't
but
know. Yeah,
congratulations to Bula! Yay! Way to
So-
go, girl.
Yeah, so congratulations on that. Anything else you need to say?
Just stay safe still.
Yep.
Wash your hands.
Yep.
Stay 10 feet away from whoever you're
That's
talking
it,
to.
yeah. Stay your 6 feet away, wash your hands, wash your hands, wash your hands, and started working Mama on some deep breathing exercises
Yes.
for lung expansion stuff. There's no science behind that, but just in case we get it, we're going to be as, I guess, in good a shape lung-wise as we can.
Well, my
So,
allergies make it hard
if
anyways.
you smoke, don't smoke. If you vape, don't vape. Your lungs are good. If you get COVID, you're probably going to need all the lung capacity that you can get. Alrighty, guys. I really do think that's about it for this evening. As always, we'd like to say thank you for watching the video. And remember, we'd love to see you back in the shop.